I have two DJI FPV drones. One I use for work, one I use for practice. Can you see the difference? Other than that this one has obviously been crashed, not just by me though, when it was delivered, there was sand in the battery area. This one has arm braces. Why? What are they for? What do they do? And what do they do for drone performance and how do you fit them? So let's begin with why you would want them and what they're for. Well, the idea is that they can distribute any impact forces taken by one arm onto the other. This helps spread the energy and can prevent serious damage to an arm. This in theory sounds great. However, this could also cause more damage in serious impacts and result in two broken arms, with this one resulting in this one broken as well, which is not what you want when you're putting arm braces on. But that's the idea anyway. So how do they affect the drone's flight? This is a valuable question, and naturally adding objects to an aerial vehicle will affect its performance. Drones are subjected to many forces, and to understand them fully, we need to look into fluid dynamics and the physical properties of air in which it's flying. Weather conditions, temperature, altitude all play a part, but simply, more weight and a larger surface area equals less battery performance and more drag. And with the arm braces on, it is noticeable. I found the drone flies a little shaky at times with these fitted, and I keep them on the practice drone purely to reassure me. And so far, the only major crash this drone has had while piloted by me, it has survived. Although I can't attest to how much the arm braces played a part in that. So if you have them or want to get them, how do you fit them? Simply use a 2mm hex key to remove the clips from the arms if they're already attached. They simply unscrew under here like this. Each brace is marked left and right respectively. Start with the front arm and put the landing gear through here and push. Then raise the back of the brace up over the rear arm like that. You may need to be a little forceful when doing this. And then you simply repeat for the other brace. So push the landing gear through here on the front, then bring the rear of the brace up to the rear arm and click. Once these are situated, it's time to reattach the clips. Just hook the clip in this little slot here, and it goes over the arm, and then you just screw that back in place from underneath. So the screw goes in at the bottom, drops in, and tightens. You have to do this for both arms. Simply reverse this process to remove them. Should you change your mind, or like me, crash your drone and need to remove them to clean mud out of the motors. Thanks for tuning in. Any questions, just pop them down in the comments and I will, like always, do my best to answer them.